Okay, this video here we are going to be simplifying expressions involving like and unlike terms. Before we do that, let's do some basic review of fractions here. Okay, suppose you are asked to do 1/3 plus 2/5 minus 1/4. Okay, how do you do this? So you want to convert all of them to the same denominator, right? All these you have the same denominator. And how do you convert them to the same denominator? You use what? You use the LCM of 3, 4, and 5. What is the LCM of 3, 4, and 5? Let's see. Okay, it's going to be 60. It's going to be 60. So we are going to convert every denominator to 60. How do we do that? So we see we have to multiply this by 20, this times 12, and this one here times 15. Okay, but we have to do the same on the top. So this is 12, this is 15. So we convert this becomes 20 over 60 plus 12 over 60 minus 15 over 60. Now that they have the same denominator, okay, we can just say everything is over 60, and the top will be 20 plus 12 minus 15. It's 32. So this whole thing reduces to 17 over 60, and we don't have any common number to reduce it further. Okay, so now, okay, review it. You understand it? Okay, let's move on. All right, to review your LCMs, we can go to IXL 6th grade E11, right? Practice LCMs. Okay, here again, we come over here and I ask you to simplify this expression here. So what do? Okay, you combine your like terms. Okay, so the k's, 1/4 k plus 1/3 k minus 1 over 5k. Let's make it 2/3, 2/3 k. Okay, so it's the same thing, all right? Okay, don't let the k scare you. Okay, it's the same thing as adding 1/4. So you can take the k out. If I write 1/4 k, or any number like say third k, is the same as the k is shows in the middle is the same as the k on the top. All right, k on the top. Okay. Okay. So don't worry about the k. Just assume the k is not there. Do the fractions. All right. So 1/4 plus 2/3 minus 1/5. Okay. Remember what we just did here? We combined everything to have the same one, the same denominator. So the same thing over here, the LCM of 3, 4, and 5, we already know is 60. So this one becomes 15 over 60 k plus, okay, this 3 times 20 and 2 times 20, 40 over 60 k minus 12 over 60 k. And then this becomes 15k plus 40k minus 12k, everything over 60. This is 55. 55 minus 12 is 43. This is 43k over 60. What about this side? This side here, 1/2 plus 2/3. What's the LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6, right? So we change this, okay, everything to 6. So this becomes plus, this is 3 over 6 plus 4 over 6, which is equal to 7 over 6. So this one here plus 7 over 6. When we get here, remember, 43 over 60k plus 7 over 6. Sorry. All right. You are done at this point because guess what? This is a term in K. This is not K. So you cannot put those together. All right. So you're done. This is what you end up with. Okay. Can you do this one here? Number 2. 1 minus 3/4 minus 1/3. Okay. Whenever you see a whole number 1, write it as 1 over 1, right? What do you do? Okay, so do it. Pause the video, simplify this fraction here. Okay. What's going to be your answer? The same. The LCM of 3 and 4 is what? 12. So this is 12 twelves minus 9 twelves, right? Minus 4 twelves. It's 12 minus 9 minus 4 all over 12. What is that? 1/12. You're done. Okay, here you have another one, right? Another one here. So what are you going to do? You're going to isolate, you're going to group your like terms. Group your like terms. There's x here, there is x here, there is x there. So we group them together. 7x minus 3x plus 1 over 2x. And then we have minus 8 minus 2. Okay. 7x minus 3x, what is that? That is 4x. So we have 4x plus 1/2 x minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. How do you do this fraction? So don't worry about the x. Don't worry about the x. It's like you're doing 4 plus 1 over 2. How do you do 4 plus 1 over 2? Okay, it's the same as 4 is the same as what? We change them to the same denominator. It becomes 8 over 2 plus 1 over 2, right? 4 is the same as 8 over 2. So 4, and then what is that? This is 9 over 2. It's 9 over 2, and then you can bring your x. So don't let the variable scare you. Minus 10. This is what you end up with. X and the negative 10, they are not like terms, so what? You are done, right? Okay. Can you simplify this? Okay. Negative 5ax plus 4ax minus 6ax. Since they are all ax, these are all like terms. So basically what you're doing is negative 4 plus 4 minus 6. Do you know how to do this? Okay. And then after that, you bring your ax at the end of it. What is this? This is what? Negative 7ax. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. And then negative 1 minus 6 is negative 7. All right. So review everything I've done so far. And this is your final challenge. Simplify this whole expression here. Underline. So you see it, underline all like terms, group them, then simplify. Cool? Pause the video, review it, come back here, and then try it. And then check your answer with mine. All right. So let's go. Now, so we're going to do what? We have a P here, another P there. So we have 2 over 3P plus 1 over 6P. What else do we have? We have a Q there and another Q there. So minus 1/4 Q minus 1 over 2Q. And then the rest are just regular integers. Minus 7 plus 9. Now I can simplify there, I can simplify that, and I simplify this one. So what is 2/3 plus 1, 6. LCM of 3 and 6, what is that? LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Okay, so we changed this 3 to be 6. So it becomes 4 over 6p plus 1 over 6p minus, we do the same thing over here, 1 over 4q, okay, minus 2 over 4. 1 half is the same as 2 over 4q. We change everything to the same denominator. And then minus 7 plus 9 is positive 2. Okay, so here, what do I have here? 4 plus 1, since they have the same denominator, 4 plus 1 become 5 over 6p. And then here, it is minus 1 minus 2, everything over 4, right? What is negative 1 minus 2? Becomes negative 3 over 4q plus 2. Okay. These are not like terms. There are no common like terms. And guess what? You are done. All right? If you have any questions, go over this again. If you have any questions, email me. Keep on practicing. What did I say? Practicing at least makes improvement. Have a good day. Bye bye.